guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the nursery tour of this little guy, Zachary Theo. This is his nursery and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I've been working on it basically for 9 months. I think it's my favorite room I've ever done for a little baby. I'm just so excited that he's here and the room's done and I can't wait to share it. So let's jump in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mary and I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom. I have 3 little boys now, a 5-year-old, a 2-year-old, and this little newborn. So thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more of my videos. I would love to have you as one of my subscribers. And if you want to follow along with my everyday life as a Jewish mom, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So this is Zachary Theo. He is 3 weeks old and this is his nursery. Can you say hi? Yeah. So welcome to the room. I'll give you guys a brief overview and then I'll share where everything is from. Zachary is just hanging out in his crib right now, which he doesn't really get to do because he is sleeping in our room right now. I have another video up of our like newborn sleep tour kind of thing, or his like little mini nursery in our bedroom, but his room is now ready to go. He'll probably move in here when he's about 6 months or so, but we'll see. Okay, so before we jump in, I just want to let you know that everything I mentioned that I can link, I will link down below. So if you're designing a nursery too, I really hope this helps you. So this is, I think, the largest kids bedroom in our house and I love it. I'm so excited to just have this ready to have this little baby here. Let me get into the details. So first up is our crib. Zachary's just chilling in there, by the way. You say hi? So first up we have a crib and dresser set. These I got both of these on Amazon. Oh my goodness, trying to buy furniture right now is crazy. Everything takes forever. Everything was sold out. I can't even remember how long ago we bought it, but it took months to come in. And I can't remember the brand name because we switched so many times. We had like 1 or 2 in mind and then they wouldn't ship or they just like didn't exist anymore. Then we picked another one. So I can't remember the final design. Bless you. I think it was called Santa Fe something that we actually got in, but I will put it in the link below. One quick thing for the dresser, which I'll show you in a minute, I also have different hardware which I might switch out to this gold hardware. This is, I think, a West Elm piece. Let me know what you guys think. Should I switch it or keep the original wood? Okay, moving back on over here. Zachary's name sign is from House of Rounds. We've used them in the past for all the other name signs we have for our boys that they actually look different. They're actually round. This one was the first like over the crib sign that we got, but I love it. I think it's so beautiful. And they're not too expensive for what they are, which I think is a beautiful statement piece. Okay, and then Zachary's crib sheet is from Pottery Barn Kids. And what else? Oh, this rug that goes along the whole length of the room is from Ruggable. It actually used to be in my office, but I switched it out and put it here. We do have carpet underneath, which I know some people wouldn't put a rug on carpet, but I just like the way it looks. And then Zachary's little rocker we just got in as a gift. It's also from Pottery Barn Kids. I think it's so super cute. And I can't wait for him to be old enough to use it, but actually don't grow up too fast, little baby. Then over here, let me just show you guys how the room works. So that's the door to get into the room, and then this is a closet. It's actually a big, nice walk-in closet that we haven't done much with. It's just like all the stuff that we've been collecting. So I need to put in, when he moves from our room to this room, we have like an IKEA unit that's in our room right now that will go along here. So that's his closet. And then over here is a bathroom. One of our goals is to redo this room kind of soon. Not like the tiling or anything like that, but get a new vanity and new like shower head and stuff. But obviously he's not in here yet, so it's fine. Okay, so coming back into the room, this little poof is from Target. And then this settee, this little couch, is Pottery Barn Kids. That little pillow is, I think, Target as well, or Amazon. I'll link it. And then I love these signs, Long Live Boyhood. They're from Opal+Olive. They're like an Instagram online company. I'll definitely link those for you guys. Okay, and then let's talk about the rocking chair. That was another piece that was just gonna take forever to come in, and we wanted to not go too overboard on it. We have a Pottery Barn Kids one in my older boy's room. It's actually like gone from one kid to the next, and we do love it, but they're really expensive, and we already had one that we didn't want to get rid of just yet, so we're like, why don't we just get a little bit less expensive one? So this is actually from Amazon. It is the softest chair. Obviously you guys can't tell on the video, but it is so super soft. It is white, so I mean, wish us luck on keeping it clean, but for now it's just in the baby's room. It's just for mommy and baby, so it's been fine. It's not the hugest chair. It's not the largest chair. I'll sit on it and kind of show you guys the size, if you can tell, but it's not the largest, but I love it. It's a good size for me, and in the ottoman that it comes with, it actually has a ton of storage. It's totally open and empty in here, so I think that's a really nice plus to the chair. Next to the chair, we just have a little basket with extra blankets. I think that when Zachary moves into this room, I might get a little table, bless you, for like nursing and that kind of thing, maybe like a little nightlight. So I haven't gotten that far yet, but potentially in that corner we might do a little table. Okay, then this is the dresser. This print is from Etsy. This bear is a Jellycat one that we got when he was born. And then I was really OTT and labeled everything for this dresser, which I love. Most of these clothes right now are actually in our room because they're the ones that he's wearing. But when he gets a bit older, I think it'll be so nice to have all these labels and organization bits in there, and they're pretty easy to like take out and move. I just made them with my little label maker. Here is extra muslin swaddle blankets, and then we get into the kind of next size up clothing. This is my little dog, who's always here when we film, as you guys know. And then this toy basket is from a company called My First Years. We had it with my older son. I think it's so cute. Little baby dinosaur on top. And then this corner of the room is one of my favorites, something I like thought a long time about. It's a little reading nook, and we got this sign once upon a time from Etsy. Let me not trip over the dog. It's a little wire sign. These shelves are Amazon, but I just love the little nook. Giant Bears Costco. Got our books and everything there, so I think it'll be a nice little like reading play space. The only other thing in the room that we got was the light fixture, and I think that was also Amazon. It might be Home Depot. I'll double check, but it's this like really cool star design, which I think is awesome. So that is it. That is Zachary's nursery. How you doing, bud? You did so good the whole tour. He's just been chilling. I've been so excited to share this with you guys and to have baby Zachary finally here. Oh, it's exciting. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to share more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.